How to change your Instagram email. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can change your email address on your Instagram account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up the Instagram application on your phone. Once you open the Instagram app, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. And what you have to do is from the very bottom right, simply tap on your profile icon to come to your profile page. As you come to your profile page, you'll see this kind of interface. And what you have to do is on the very top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. Tap on those three horizontal lines icon and you'll find this very first option which says settings. Go ahead and simply select settings. As soon as you select settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options again, and what you have to do is you want to simply go ahead and then select the option which says account. As you go to account, at the very top again you will find personal information. So all we will do is tap on personal information. As soon as we tap on personal information, you'll see a bunch of various options such as this, and at the very top, if you look closely, you'll find this section which says email address. And in order to change our email address on Instagram, all we have to do is simply go ahead and then tap on this Instagram button or this email address button. Once you've done that, you can see your current email address, and in order to change it, we would need to cross out this email address and simply enter the new email address which you might want to use. So go ahead and then enter the new email address that you want to use on your account or on your Instagram app. Once you've done that, tap on the check button on the very top right hand side. Now it may ask you to verify or to not verify your Instagram account. As you can see, it says check your email. So first of all, you have to go to your email and then verify it, and then simply confirm the changes. And this is how you can change your email address on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.